As someone who is a citizen of the UK, it's very easy to believe that there isn't much on offer in regards to anything, as the world sees us as a boring nation with nothing to see or do. While I plan to change that with the remains of castles yet to be seen by many, cathedrals with walls steeped in history, and natural formations that have inspired films and books over the years. These are the journeys I will travel in order to show the world what we are. Welcome to Lucid Travelling.
I want to save my soul.